What's up, guys? It's Terry and Zach from Tenco Plumbing. We've been working in Medina, Tennessee today, working on the gas line. We got it completed, so we're heading home for the day. Hope you guys enjoy the process of how we got it done. The gas company ran the utility underground, and you can see they have the top of the meter, and they're waiting to actually put the unit in until we get our gas line connected to it so they could see our finished product. So this is where we started. Our first move was to get a piece dropped down vertically to the meter. We needed two T's on it, one to connect to the meter itself, and then a 3/4 T to go to a gas fireplace. The gas fireplace was going to be electric originally, but they switched it to gas, so we're going to run 3/4 on the exterior. So this shows how we got everything leveled. We got our T leveled, and we got a 90 where the orange level's at. So we had to build this, we had to prefab this, that way we could install it. Everything was so tight to the brick that we couldn't turn the T's in place, so we had to do it here. That's what it looked like when we got it installed. You can see the 90 looking down, the T's turned in the back of the house. We're taking a measurement for our final piece connected to the meter. It's 16 1/8 inches. So we're going to the chain vise, we're marking the pipe, we're getting the bandsaw, and we're cutting it. We have the rigid reaming and deburring tool that you're going to see here. This is how we prepare the pipe. This is a rigid threading machine. We're threading 1.25 inch pipe. We run a couple threads and we have to put oil on it to make sure that there's not so much friction between the thread dies and the pipe that it dulls the dies. Here's the piece installed. It's nice and level. You can see our connection at the meter met up nicely. We're screwing the union on. I met these guys from 31W Insulation. They were actually there doing gutters. They were making the gutters on site in the back of their truck, and I thought that was a really cool operation. So I took the opportunity to meet them. This is what their truck looks like on the outside in case you see it go down the road. These are the wall plates and the 3/4 split rings we use to support our 3/4 pipe that's going to be ran on the exterior of the house. You can see our first piece is in. We've got 2 hangers on it. We've got to go around that corner. This is us putting the final pieces together. We're putting a valve on this piece of 3/4. This is a video overview. We are sediment trap in the bottom of the T. Trying to get everything nice and straight. We're rounding the corner. You can see down the wall here, and you can see our 3/4 pipe going through this sleeve. We'll show you where it's going. Walking through this indoor space over to this fireplace. We've got some gas lines ran in that kitchen. We'll show you later. There's the valve we put on, the pipe that we ran through the sleeve outside, and here's one final overview of the installation.